Skilled AI just shocked the world with a $1.4 billion robot brain that controls any machine, from robot dogs to humanoids, without extra training. Meanwhile, Microsoft's new Rho-alpha lets robots feel, touch, to do chores like never before. Skilled AI says the future of real all-purpose robots starts with one powerful robot brain that can control everything instead of many separate systems. And they're backing that idea with serious money, nearly $1.4 billion raised, pushing their value past $14 billion, as they build what they call the Skilled Brain, a single AI system designed to be the foundation for many kinds of robots. Unlike older AI systems that are built for one specific type of robot, this new foundation model is designed to work with almost any robot body, meaning it can adapt on the fly and operate quadrupeds, humanoids, robotic arms on tables, or mobile robots without needing to be pre-trained on their exact shape. Skilled AI says the skilled brain will let robots do everyday tasks like cleaning the house, loading the dishwasher, or cooking a simple meal, while also handling tougher physical challenges, like moving safely across slippery or uneven surfaces. Started in 2023 by two early leaders in self-learning and adaptive robotics, Skilled AI says its scalable robot foundation model acts like a shared brain that can power many different types of robots. And the company now operates out of Pittsburgh, the San Francisco Bay Area, and Bengaluru, India. Skilled AI points out that building a general robot brain is harder than training language or video. Because there's no massive online database of real robot actions. So to solve that problem, the company trains the skilled brain using other sources, like studying videos of humans performing tasks online and learning through realistic physics-based simulations. Unlike robots that are built for just one job or only work in tightly controlled spaces, Skilled AI says its model can operate across many different robot body types, which greatly increases the amount of data it can learn from and makes the system more flexible overall. I says the skilled brain is built to handle unexpected situations, like a damaged limb, stuck wheels, extra weight, or even being placed into a completely different robot body, all without needing to be retrained or adjusted. Skilled AI's CEO, Deepak Pathak, says the skilled brain is able to run robots it has never seen before, adjusting instantly to major changes in the robot's body or surroundings, because instead of memorizing patterns, it learns to adapt, similar to how intelligence works in nature. And he believes that using one flexible, all-purpose robot brain is the quickest way to create a system that improves with every use, regardless of the robot or the job. Other companies like Qualcomm, Sanctuary AI, and X Square Robot are also working on general-purpose robot AI, but Skilled AI says it has shown steady progress by proving its system can adjust robot movements in real time using in-context learning, allowing it to adapt on the fly in new robots or environments. And the company says this research has been publicly shared. Skilled AI co-founder Abhinav Gupta says its unified learning approach helps robots work safely in real-world settings without constant instructions, and the company claims rapid growth, reaching about $30 million in revenue in early 2025, while deploying its tech across security, delivery, warehouses, manufacturing, data centers, and construction. Skilled AI's newest funding round was led by SoftBank Group, with backing from NVIDIA's venture arm, NVentures, Macquarie Capital Managed Entities, Jeff Bezos through Bezos Expeditions, Disruptive, and 1789 Capital, while Lightspeed, Felicis, Coatue, and Sequoia Capital added more money after the company previously raised $300 million in 2024. And SoftBank's Dennis Chang said they believe Skilled AI is building core technology that will power physical AI across many robots, tasks, and real-world environments around the globe. Along with the main backers, major companies like Samsung, LG, Schneider, Common Spirit, and Salesforce Ventures also came in as strategic investors, while additional support came from firms including TF Capital, Andra Capital, Palo Alto Growth Capital, KIC, Alpha Square, Mirai Asset, and Destiny. Rita Waite from IQT says solving real-world physical AI could unlock huge business value and long-term strategic benefits. And Skild AI plans to start with industrial and enterprise uses before eventually bringing robots into homes, using new funding to scale training, expand deployments, and push automation in U.S. manufacturing. Moreover, to work well in real-world settings that are unpredictable and less controlled, robots need AI trained on many different kinds of sensory data, and Microsoft has now introduced Rho-alpha, Rho-alpha. Its first robotics-focused model built on the Phi family of vision language AI systems. Microsoft says vision language action models, known as VLAs, help robots see what's around them, understand it, and take action on their own, and its new Phi-based models are designed to make robots more flexible, reliable, and easier to trust in real-world use. Microsoft researcher Ashley Lawrence says Rho-alpha converts spoken commands into precise controls for two-handed robots, expanding beyond vision and language by adding touch and future force sensing. And Microsoft has demonstrated it by showing the model follow natural instructions while interacting with the BusyBox test setup. Microsoft researcher Ashley Lorenz says Rho-alpha learns touch by training on real robot demos, simulations, and huge amounts of visual Q&A data from the web, and that the same method will be used to add more sensing abilities, while Microsoft admits real-world robot data, especially for touch, is limited. So researchers rely on tools like NVIDIA Isaac Sim to generate realistic synthetic data, with University of Washington professor Abhishek Gupta adding that his team is helping expand robot training datasets, using a mix of simulation and AI-based learning. NVIDIA's Deep Utala says real-world robot AI is hard to train because hands-on data is limited. But using NVIDIA Isaac Sim on Azure helps Microsoft speed up training for models like Rho-alpha. And Microsoft adds that robots still make mistakes, so live human feedback, like using a 3D controller, helps them keep learning, as shown in a demo where one robot arm needs human help to plug in a cable.